What's up? What's up, everyone? This is everyone. Your Captain speaking. Game ready for another game dev challenge. Nothing. Not no. Not game dev challenge. I'm already in the heads of doing a game jam for the HoloJam, and I'm gonna be I'm pretty much already started a few hours ago, but I was doing the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Hi. Okay. Kind of strange. I usually have my OBS will do the fade in and fade out, but it's not doing that anymore. I mean, maybe it's probably different in somewhere else, but or maybe it is doing the fade, and I'm just getting the Earth. Anyways, a few things happened. I think a couple things was done. I was able to change the icons of these things. I was able to get to click on these nodes. I was also able to get the click node to work. I mean, almost. At first and foremost, we're going to test things out. Play. Here we go. There we go. And I think right now I'm in the middle of getting UI taken care of. I'm also trying to get the nodes nodes to work properly. So I'm pretty much right now I'm trying to get a lot of things up and going before something happens. So the first thing I'm gonna try is actually take care of the encounter. The second one I'm gonna try next is taking care of the event, and also try to get the rest and shop working. As of right now, I feel like I'm neither here or there again, anywhere close to finish yet. But it's just basically taking steps by step, trying to get it all done. Not only that, during my off time and I say off time, but every day is kind of my off time because I'm still here sitting around waiting for another call. But anyway, during my off time, I've been trying to practice on my speech. And what I'm doing is by kind of going through some icebreakers, answering questions that they'll ask, and try to come up with topics. And try to come up with topics. Nothing too fancy, too special, but it's just I thought if I want to talk more or talk a lot better, I should probably set up a way to get more topics. Although I haven't really accomplished that much yet. I pretty much was like still hunkered down to work on the gym, rather than try and do something like that. Other than that, it's kind of same old. But this time I'm getting most of the things that we want done. Besides certain skills. Right now I think skills are not gonna for me. Skills are not gonna be something to be worried. Okay, I say skills when I never mentioned skills for the longest time. So let me clear that. Let me try to clear that one up. Well, this game's gonna be is a roguelike action RPG where you escape a jail cell. You play as at time being Narissa. Narissa running across from Hololive Advent, and you're basically escaping jail. Sorry. If we are deciding to continue with this game after Jam or we have enough time, if we want to add more characters in like Koseki Biju and Fumoko, and more art characters, more art talents. I know, you know, I'm kind of getting mixed up. Where in game I'm calling them characters, but from their stream they're really just called talents. Like, would that be, is that a big difference? Like, what if I were call, if like if I would call a video game character a character, if but if the Hololive or Holostar talents are in the game, are they characters or are they just straight up talents? Because I know we basically just I know we just basically just see him talk, Sora talked with them, to chat and all that kind of stuff. But it's like, is there a big difference? Like, would people get annoyed so much if I call them if I were to call them characters? Wait, hold on a second. That was one. Okay, no. Okay, what I was trying to do is was trying to see if I drag the point and hit Shift, Control, or Alt, would it actually lock the box when scaling up and down, like so they scales uniformly. Turns out it doesn't. Let's see what else. I need to make sure we have what we need here done. So right now, I'm just setting up certain instances to get set the views for just UI, and all I want to do is get the currency value set to what it needs to be. You know what, I'm actually proud of myself today. Well, I said I'm proud of myself because the jam is really just was really 2 weeks, which somehow is enough time for me to actually do everything on code instead of doing it in Blueprint. Part it might be because I'm part with a team. I have enough time to focus on what's important, which is the game itself, and basically just make the code itself. So I think I'm happy on that. Saved, get saved money. All right. I want to be able to update this. Oh wait, I think I can update it. Of course I can update it. What am I thinking about? Assigned. Maybe. Actually, do we want to actually assign it? You want? No, I don't want to assign it. I don't want to assign it because I'm not worried about it being updated unless we want to update the stats if they're doing a certain attack or they hit a thing, which right now I don't think I have. Right now this is like we're halfway through the jam, like really halfway through the jam, and all I want to try to do is get the game into a playable state where I can make a build, send it off to my team, have them play test, and once we are happy with what we have, we can do we can then continue to make more assets, or more assets and polishes even more. I mean, that's actually my whole goal for this this week. Is basically get this in a polishable state. Speaking of polishable state, I want to. Well, speaking of polishable state, I need to share my stream with my team because I want to let them know that I'm streaming again on YouTube. And sorry, I'm basically just doing talking with a streamer of mine at the moment, and just talking about it in a realistic way. What? How do I share things again? What's this? Share. Ooh. Okay. Okay. And where's my team? And I post. All right, now we're good. Wait, one more place to go to as well. And all right, we're good. Wait, I want to put it on Twitter. I need to put it on Twitter. And and now I'll worry about it later. I haven't. It's funny. I don't know. I was doing kind of well trying to talk things on Twitter, but I never actually tried bar to notify people down on Twitter. Because I was not sure if people were actually clicking on the link to go to my stream. Because I guess I don't quite expect them to actually click on it. But I just like, but I do try to but I do try keep more informed. Like it's probably me being really bad trying to get my duties on informing people on when I'm streaming or not. But it's just like I'm not getting a lot of traction from my place, and I'm trying to figure out what can I do to make that better. I think maybe after this jam, and after another set of streams I want to do, like after the jam's over, I want to play everybody's games. But after all that, I think I want to figure out if I can nail down a way to keep y'all informed and keep y'all working, keep y'all seeing me more often. If not, I'll somehow try and post stuff on Twitter 30 times a day. Like I saw a streamer, I know, at least I saw a streamer or a YouTuber that shows like this is what I've been doing. I've been he's like, I'm posting 30 things a day. Like, what the hell? I only post 1 or 2 in a week, and you got like 30 days. What you guys have what you have to talk about every 30 days? It's like one of those tweeters that just tweet a question and give out to people who answer it. Does that even work? Anyways, we're back here again. Let's see. I think I have most of it set up. Let's pray to God that all this works. And the way I'm going to pray is by. I think if I should be working. Let's go to. Not there. One more clicking. I'm clicking air right now. Here we go. Let's go back here. I'm really actually what's really cool, I'm actually really liking the way it looks at the moment. I'm not sure if you're able to see the quality of it, but it's like it looks really nice. Not only that, the HUD looks pretty cool as well. Right now there's nothing happening, and right now I have everything everything I need at the moment. Like the lighting's actually cool. No, not everything, but more or less. Lighting's actually cool. I want to polish. If I want to get time, I want to have this polish, making this rim look cool. I want to see if I could do something somewhere in the foreground itself, and something else with the background. Because right now it's like They're somewhere out. It seems like they're somewhere outside, but I'm not sure if this actually is this actually here I say good design, but here a good look for it. Because, I mean, right now it look all this looks freaking cool. Up, down, up, down. And I'm not even sure if we need jump. Matter of fact, I might as well if I'm able to jump, but we're not doing any ability boost jumping. So maybe we not would need jumping at all. We close it down and put it back where it is. But the UI is looking okay. I think what this needs, at least for testing wise, I need to make sure that this test is we're able to I think I'd be able to create a new, be able to add in a begin play if I can. Can I get active class? We want to get player. No, we want to get Narissa, I think, and wants to go have play. Get playable character. We don't have a way to set it up, so I need to really quick do a set. To make a function out of this. Okay. I think so far we got most of the UI, and we got the character. Actually, real quick, I want to make a save, close this down, make a build out of it. Eat this pasta that I bought. Yum. Munch on an invisible pasta. It sounds like it's really good. That's why the pasta. And let's go back in the test. Wait, create. What events do we have that I can use here? Like I remember just initial start spot, on post login, restart, on log out. Let's do this on post login. Reason I'm doing this instead of on begin play is because we want to make sure that when it's loaded, we see the we'll be able to see the character and be able to slap that in there. I'll make sure this character is valid. If so, we have this, not nothing else. I think I should also probably make a way to update. Because we're getting it set, but we're not. There's no way to actually, tell everyone that, hey, this character's been assigned. Give set up your thing. But I think about it now. I don't think I need to worry about. I don't think I need to worry about that at all. What I do really need to worry about is worry about the when this gets clicked. Okay, we click on this node. There is a set of things that's happening. So let's go. So let me go through them. Let me close all the tabs. Let me actually go to the node. Node in the where did I put my node? I put my nose in here. Nose in here. So what happens is this: when we click the node, there's gonna be a node event reference that's been created. All we do is run the map. This is gonna be based on the multi node. And it's going to check for that, check the event data that has that node, and create have that. Let's go check if that component exists. If not, it'll create that component in here. And then tell it to run the map. And based on what we're doing, the sword is going to be encounter. So we're going to go into the encounter, which should be set up, and all that's doing is going to initialize the encounter event stuff. And let's go in here. When initialize the encounter, it's going to call this in the game HUD to execute HUD action. Okay, so now if that should be in my HoloJam HUD, which if we go through this thing, we go into our execute HUD action. It's going to get the data. It's going to set the get the current encounter. And it's going to call this to fade out. I think. I'm gonna make sure it actually does that. So let's start. Let's go ahead and get started. Click. All right, here we go. It's creating a node. It's gain that cast. We're going to continue. And nothing happened. Okay. Okay, why did I do that for? Stretching my back. Ugh. No, during going back to the icebreaker, there was one question say what was one word that describes myself. And I was kind of giving it a bit of thought because I'm not sure like if my previous word is still correct. Like the word curious, and apparently the curious is pretty much in my middle name. I think back then I was I think back then I was like, what will be your if what name with the first letter would be what you think it would be. And I think curious because I'm always curious about things, new things, things that I'm never heard of, things I'm very interested in. But I think as the time goes by, I'm not sure if that word still means it's still correct for me. So I'm more likely more determined than curious because I'm pretty much want to try to get a lot of things done. I want to try to get, like I said, get my life together again and get back to what I usually do, which just make games. Let's see, main map again. Let's go through this. Let me double click. Continue. All right, here we go. We have the encounter. Let's see, the event data. Is this event data has the encounter? Wait, is it encounter? Yes. Event manager. This should give us the event manager based on that. Wait, get component by. It doesn't have the event manager, doesn't it? You don't have the event manager, don't you? That explains why. Okay. We have event manager. But this event manager does not exist in who's calling the event manager? Is it really from the owner? No, it should be in the game mode or where this thing comes from. But the event manager is trying to get the owner, which will be the node itself. Which that itself is not exactly what I really wanted to go to, anyways. I rather have this go to a game mode. The owner, do this. All right, and we are going to is it U game mode base or is it A game mode? I think it's A game mode base. There we go. Perfect. We'll call this GM, and we'll add to include. All right, perfect. And we got several of these things around here, so we're also gonna make sure they're also slapped in here. I can't be honest. I will probably get this, have some way to figure this out later on, but it's gonna be as good as it gets at the moment. DM. Okay, is that not gonna work? Pick the phone by class. Is it because game mode base is not? It has to be that. Yeah, it has to be that. Okay, there we go. So we are going to change this from get owner to GM. Perfect. This is not perfect at the moment, but it's this one's actually better than just having it create a creating a component and then adding it in there. So I think that's going to work. All right, that should work. I think I do want to come back to this. I'm really liking the game. I really want to make sure I'm able to come back to this again and just try to set this all up. Okay. There we go. Holo Event Manager. Save. Compile. Save. Is up in the main map. Click on this. Open this. Right. Click on this. Good. Good. Wait. Please have you cast it. Thank God. Oh wait. It probably doesn't. It didn't like that. It's the game. Is this game was actually returning from? Where are you coming from actually? Can I get a peek? You're coming. Yeah, it's coming from game mode base. So what's the issue? And so far we should have this working. Yes. Now we can go in. And now it should do exactly what I'm hoping. Yes, it's doing that. All right, should have the open dynamic level open. We should be able to fade out. To go in here, we should be able to fade out. And we still have this tag open dynamic. And it'll have this on the character. There we go. And then it's going to spawn the character. This is what it's going to look like when the character is spawned. Then go back in the HUD. And I think, where is it? Holo menu. Convert to pure. Well, fade in. Which, oh wait, now think about it. Hold up. Where are you spawning at? We don't have any information. We have battle level. We have battle map level instance, but we don't have actually have any information where exactly we are spawning. So we need. So I need to fix that. Fortunately enough, I did have the foresight to have that taken care of. But I think what I need now is to create. It's actually have no, not the nodes. Goes back to test map. We want to get a couple of actors. I think one of them is called it's point. Holo spawnable point. And with this, I think I need to make sure these are set to exactly where we want them to set them at. So I'll keep them here on top. And if we have enemies, I want to make sure they're set to enemies. Ooh. Fair, yeah. I need to make sure they're at a certain angle. Biggest reason why is because I don't want them to just run around a bit weird. We should be good here. I should actually, if I'm actually doing this, I could probably set this all up. I could pretty much go ahead and get the location and not worry about the actual rotation of this. But let me go ahead and get at least that set up. So we got the battle map. That's what we need. What I want to get from this battle map instance, which is will be coming from here, is I want to get a spawn point, but set to private at the moment. We had set spawn point, and for this I want to get our spawn point. Or maybe get our array of spawn points. Let's see. Do I want to get a ray or do I want to get a? Let's go and get a ray. A T ray of T object point. Hold on a second. Like that. Here we go. I'm gonna go get a player spawn point. We'll slap that in there as default. Let's see. Next up, I want to. I'll do a for loop. We want to do a switch. Just like before. Okay, there we go. You know what? No. Maybe not that way. No, this is exactly what I'm looking for. It's going to be null, and that's okay. Because we are trying to have this part return instead of a list of spawn points. There we go. This should be set into here. Okay, so we got everything. Why are we level asset dynamic instance not okay? File map level instance. That's yeah, that's the thing. But why are you telling me incomplete class type low dive? Oh, oh, okay. I get it. All right. It just needs this. I'll feel like typing it, so I'm gonna grab it, add include, and delete this, and it should be happy. I want to right now get the very first spawn point. I want to get its location. F rotator, we are trying to, let's see, pitch, yaw. Yeah, we want the yaw. And roll. I think that's all I can do. Okay. Then after this, we have the they initialize, and then all right, that should do the trick. I'm pretty much one thing though, if we really like the game, we really want to get this all better and all cool and all, I think what I would need to do is actually make this a bit more polishable. Turn. There we go. Because right now, this is all more likely just me typing above my head and trying to say, yeah, this seems to make sense. That part seems to make sense. Everything seems to be a-okay. Let's go. All right. We know you're working. We already know that y'all are working as well. And we know you're going through. Okay. Call stack. This is coming from here. And that's probably coming from this thing right here. It probably doesn't like this. Yeah, it didn't like it at all. Okay, fine. Okay. Let me get the spawn location here, and that should be it. We should be good here, at least for right now. Let's go back into our main map. Play. Click, click, click. Oh no, don't tell me these spawnable points are empty. Is it empty because these things don't it doesn't exist yet? That's part of the case. Okay. And here's what I want to do. What I want to do is call a delay first, and I want to do that in the blueprint. We're already going to load the dynamic map, so a delay here for about 0.2 seconds ain't gonna be that much. Tape. Okay. Yes, you're valid, because that's because we made a delay. So you make sure that that load map gets loaded first before anything else. Which, now thinking about it, I think we if I'm doing this now, I think I should. I think I need to not do that. Not have the load dynamic map first. Okay. I just remember something. I just remember something that I think I made, and I think I made this way back before, because I noticed this needed a array event. Because at the moment the map was not really ready at all. Okay, I think I already have it anyway. So I should be good. Load dynamic map. On ready. Add dynamic. This. I don't know why it has. I'll open up internal. There we go. And for this, I think I need to make sure this this. There we go. This doesn't need to be callable, but does it need? Yeah, it doesn't need to be callable. Once that's ready, we didn't call the spawned character. Matter of fact, we didn't even need to do the. We didn't even need to do that. So that means I need to go back. I need to go back to my. I say that when I say I didn't need to do that thing I did in the HUD, where it spawns the character. However, I do need it to fade in. I do need it to fade in. Maybe I could. Maybe the delay will actually be fine. Delay 0.2 seconds. It's going to do its thing. We'll be fading in the menu. All right. Light. Let's make use of a certain light, like a rectangular light. Okay. All that done, I want to go ahead and get rid of this because it's not giving us the color that it's not giving us the light we need here. So let's actually go ahead and play. This is what it looks like at the moment. If I click here, hit escape, and we see this, we see all this, and you also see all the materials kind of lighting up, which I'll be honest, is not exactly what I want. So I think I need to go back into my material. I think I need to go into here. I think these are set as the way is that this all is set up. It's set as a it also says user interface. That's correct, but it's not set up the way I really want it. Ooh, yeah. Okay. What the fuck's going on? Okay, I think I got. Okay, I know where I'm at. Okay, here I am. Here I am. Okay, here I am. All right, we are. We should be exactly where we actually should be at, but we're not 5,000 feet above. Okay. Okay. Which is very weird. It should be saying our location exactly where we want to go. At least I thought. Let's read the list. Let's get our spawn point. All right, we get the new instance. We get that. Here's the spawn point. Down origin level asset. Wait. Okay. All right. Did a little fix. This should do its thing. Almost. Okay. What does it not like? No overload function could convert all argument type. Okay. Let me look at this. Oh. Ooh-wee. Let's get to the map. Let's get to the node. Let's run this. Click, click, click. Okay, I forgot you function for this. Let's see what else here. If we spawn the character, we want to be able to switch to its view. Player controller. Let's go ahead and get this. And we're gonna get the index. And we're gonna use set view target with blend. We're gonna use the playable character. And looking at this, I think that's all we can do. That's all we need. Set back the main game map. Yeah, it's right above it. Yeah, right above it, but the character spawned, but it's not actually. Not actually attaching it to it. Like, I'm actually liking how the character's actually getting there, but it's not doing exactly what I wanted to do. Let me think about this. Think about it. Okay. Let's go back to clear real quick. Does this thing has an on possess? Yes. Well, yes and no. You only all possessed when it's placed in the world, but if it's spawned, it's not all possessed. So I think we're good on. So I think we're good on that part. Hmm. Oh, wait. wait, I just remember something. Or I more or less actually thought about something. Actually, it's just that we don't have a way to declare something that is already been called. Level. Or let me call it dynamic level. And I don't need one parameter. I just only need this. There we go. I think that part is important because we want to call any actors that would need certain things like the player character to refresh the info to make sure it works. So if I go back to my HUD, Val UI in here, and not here, but in the one of the context. You'll be a good start. Let me get game mode. You'll make a assignable on dynamic level spawn to get this initiated. And then get the rest set up. I also want to go into my game HUD to also get the game mode ready. Perfect. Let's see. I want to do the same thing. On new level spawn. We want to have this ready. Okay. Okay, so this one should come out a lot better. At least I hope so. We close you down. Let me open you back up. In the game main menu. Click on this. We're done with you. We're good. We're good with you. Thank you. Okay. All right. We should go to this view target right now, and let's make the blend time to about 20 seconds just for testing. Just what's supposed to happen, what's supposed to do, it's supposed to okay. Okay, now we got it working. Yay. Okay, I think I'm making a guess. Maybe it needs to be possessed first, and then to set viewpoint. Although that actually, although that transition seems to be will be cool if I did it that way, like boom, and then once done transitioning, I can pretty much wait. Is there a sign? Possessed pawn change. That could be a thing. That could be a thing. I'll worry about that later. Let me remove the breakpoint and let me actually just refresh. Like, like, I don't know why, but I like the idea where it's just twisting, where the camera's just twisting, and you're already in view with the actor itself. Maybe I could probably make an animation simulating that, but I don't think I need to have it do that in game. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it worked. Need to change the need to change the menu to something that's different. So let me actually go into the project, go into game, go into here, and we don't need y'all anymore. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Next one. Let me make sure it's this menu and notification. Notification is the next one I need to do. I forgot how to do this again. Oh wait, it's in the event. Uh, okay, we're only doing that. We're only doing the dynamic level spawn event if we are spawning a new thing. Although I'm looking and thinking about it, and I'm thinking that the dynamic level spawn event should also have a something to input. Although maybe not. Maybe not. I'm probably overthinking this. Let's leave it. I'll probably just go ahead and leave it like that for right now. Oh, am I thinking back out? Oh god, forgot. Double click, get the tab. It does the thing. That is exactly not what I'm looking for. Or something I'm actually need to worry about at the moment, but it's he's there. Possessed, we can set the camera, I think. Okay, what time is it right now? Oh, we are an hour and 41 minutes in. Okay. I kind of blanked out what I needed again. I think I got. That's almost everything. I just think I need a I think. Oh. Right. We are removing a UI. And we're pushing a new one. There we go. This is looking pretty nice. We got the transition, and we got to exactly what I needed this to do. I think I'm good on that part. Let me actually make a change to one of these things. Instead of an encounter, I want to make this an action event. That way I can be able to click on it and see what needs to change there. All right, so biggest issue, it does not have, wait, it does have it. So wait. The current node component does not exist. And I will actually need this to do its thing. So I need to go into my game, not interface, data assets event, action event, this one event here, and actually put up a story. And with this story, I need to actually put up an action event UI. We want to set new prompts and set its event name. We want to get clear all the children and add each element to it. Okay. I think once all that's taken care of, we need this to initialize the action event. That it gets called in push new UI. Right. Let's go back into the HUD. Here we go. And we want this to push. We want this to be pushed into a menu. Of course, not just any menu. This menu needs to be pushed into its own thing, which we can probably name it as body. Yeah, own body. Action event UI. There's gonna be, I think there's gonna be a buttload of them that's gonna be in its own UI. So let me actually set, and all of them is gonna be involved with the menu. Let me make another. Let me make a list of these things. This one's for press UI. Okay. This will be a store UI. Let's see, how do I align again? Shift. Okay. Hmm. For these UI, I think I need to be able to set be able to set the information easily. So what I want to do is apparently I need to make a quick interface. No, not that interface. A blueprint interface. BBI underscore UI initializer. This initializer is going to get or set data asset event. For this case, it needs to get a holo event data asset. I think this will be kind of straightforward and easy because I basically have these organized. I will need to have this. I know I have this. I know I'm gonna have this place. I just don't know if I'm going to need to make a variable out of this. Maybe. Okay, and I think I need to make sure that this is actually set in flat. Need to get inherent. You grab BPI underscore UI initializer. Let me actually open the prompt. I need to let's see. Right now, I don't think I need the construct. I do need to do a custom event. Where it says init event asset. Then we should be good here. Matter of fact, I think what I really need this to do is just have it clear children on construct. And then once the action data is set up properly, that's when I allow to initialize. So here we go. We got the infinite data. We got our prompt. Let's initialize our thing. There we go. There we go. I think for this, I need to make sure I want to have this hidden for time being. Then once we have this initialized, we want to go ahead and play animation. To have it show the prompt. Or what is this? This is just a regular day asset. Okay, let's go back here. Just give me the regular day asset. There we go. Perfect. And this one is for starting an X. I'm probably not going to even need to use them, but all this is going to be coming into the menu itself. So we should be good here. Okay. All right, let's go back into our map, main map, run it. Let me just click this. Hold on a second. Okay. Something went weird there. Let me think. We'll just back up. Let me go for. Okay, so it did went through. So this went through. This also went through. So that went through as well. Which takes us to the action event, which will get created and will be stored. And after it gets stored, and we then use this. And desk is finished. Interesting. Okay, if this got stacked, let me go into my HUD again. I think it's called menu. If this got stacked, does no? These are queue. Alright, this shouldn't. Alright, this should not be a problem. Okay. So I'm realizing that queues and stack are completely different. So if this is being pushed into a queue, it's not going to move to the next one. I think all my stuff is actually just referenced in here, right? It's on remove and just on push. So, okay. Then I have an idea. I'm just gonna create some couple No, that's not create variables. We are going to actually do game UI stack menu UI stack notify UI stack. Activate visual widget. Yeah. Get rid of all y'all. No, we should be good here. We are going to get rid of these safely. Okay. That should be easy fix. Escape. There we go. That's what's supposed to happen. One thing I'll probably say is although I'm pretty much getting all this done, I want to there's actually something event happening I want to watch. So I'm going to actually end the stream a bit more earlier than usual. So, but I'll be back tomorrow doing this more. I should have I should have the menus and all that kind of stuff ready to go before the end. But other than that, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I know the stream's not that long and haven't been that super eventful, but I think it's going to be. I think this is pretty much going to come out all right. If you like the stream, please follow me on Twitch or subscribe to me on YouTube. You can also subscribe to me on X as David the Wanderer. With that, thank you for coming by. Now I'll see you all next time. All right. Bye-bye. Bye.